If you think your hair systems are just about covering hair loss, think again. Today, we're talking about a major shift in how people are using their hair systems, not just to restore confidence, but to express personal style like never before. Customization and styling in hair systems. Hair loss solutions have come a long way. More and more users aren't just trying to hide thinning hair, they're using hair systems as a tool to reinvent their look. We're seeing a clear shift from basic coverage to full-blown customization. It's not about blending in anymore, it's about standing out with the style you really want. At Superhairpieces, we're seeing it every day. One client has been wearing a short, clean-cut system for months recently reached out, asking if they could go for a longer, messier, textured look. The answer, absolutely. With the right system, proper maintenance, and styling know-how, your options are wide open. Hair systems are no longer just a solution to a problem. They're a style choice. Whether you're into skin fades, layered textures, long and flowy, or sharp and sculpted, we've got options to help you achieve that exact look. And better yet, you can change it up anytime you want. At Superhairpieces, we offer pre-cut styles, custom units, and a range of base materials and density options, so you're not locked into one look. This is about freedom and control your hair your way. You're not just buying hair, you're choosing a version of yourself. And let's be real, styling matters. Whether you're heading into a job interview, out on a date, or just living your day-to-day life, the right hairstyle can completely change how you feel. Remember, your hair system should work for you, not the other way around. If you're ready to take that next step, visit superhairpieces.com. We've got everything from premium stock units to fully customized systems, pre-cut styles, styling tools, and expert support to keep you look and feel your best. You'll also find tons of helpful resources from style guides to base comparison to videos, just like this, to help you choose the perfect unit. And if you're not sure where to start, drop us a comment below or connect with our customer support team. We're here to help. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more real talk on hair loss, hair systems, and everything in between. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.